we have an order today for 30 capsules as well as a couple add-ons. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the 30 capsules. Let's go ahead, get this all nice and mixed up here. Okay. And 30. There we go. Let's give this a little mixing up here. See what we got. Okay, we've got a rainbow acrylic keychain. Let's go ahead and grab that. Alright, it is right up in here. And it has a cute little rainbow. It is acrylic and it says, "You are chosen." That is really cute. It's got a cute little tassel on it. And then one thing I did forget to mention as well, I didn't move down with the one, was they also wanted this in as many cat stuff as well as the colors pink, purple, or mauve. So I would try to go ahead and get as many things in the cat things that I may have. I also am a very, very big, vivid cat lover, so I think I have more cat stuff than anything, except for capybara. I think I've got quite a bit of capybara as well, but I've got a lot of cat stuff, so that's going to be amazing on that. And pink's my favorite color, so gotta love it. All right, let's go ahead and get the second ball going. All right, let's take a look and see what the next item is. All right, we've got a scrunchie. Let's go ahead and grab that, and that is going to be right over here. All right, let's see if we got pink or purple. Oh, I think these are so pretty. Oops, make sure it's in the camera. That's really pretty. I like that. Very cute. We'll go ahead and do that one. It's a cute scrunchie. Okay. Get that put on over there. Oh, it's not quite snapped. There we go. We like the noise of the snapping, so gotta make sure we get it in there. Alright, this is a needle pen. Now, it's not an actual needle. It is a pen with a needle tip. It's how the end of it is, and I'll show that to you. It's right over here. Let's see what colors we've got in this. Let's see, we've got, it looks like pink. Oh, nope, that's a purple. And that's a purple. Let's see. I think we're going to go with purple because I think I don't see any pink. So let's go ahead and do the purple, which is a very pretty color. And this is what is considered the needle point pin. So it's just the ending of it is shaped like a needle per se. It is a very pretty color. So we'll go ahead and get that put over here. Okay, put that right there for now. My goodness, some of these are really hard to open. Alright, this is an eraser, and these are really cute. Let me go ahead and get those. Yeah, zoom in on these. And these are all really cute erasers. See if I can just take that down and take a look at what we've got here. Alright, let's see. I don't think we have any cat ones, however. That is so cute. We do have pink. Oh, pink flamingo. I like that one. Oh, that's really cute too. Looks like a pink llama. Oh, looks like a little bam. What's this? Oh, it's a cute man. And this looks like a little piggy maybe. It's a dry. Okay, we'll go ahead and go with those. Get that put back. And then, now these here, this one is not an eraser. Well, it's not the eraser that goes on top. I believe this is just one that you just use as an eraser. But these two are erasers. You put them on the top of your pencils, excuse me. And you can go ahead and use them as erasers. I personally probably use it as decoration. And I'm guessing this one is also an eraser, just not for the tip of your pencil. So let's go ahead and get those put over here for you. Oh, excuse me. All right. Those are so cute. Oops. All right. Large do-it-yourself transparent jars. Let's go ahead and grab that. All right, and these are just really cute jars. I don't know if you've seen the ads for these or not, but these are pretty much what they're using these for. Is they take the large jar like this, and this is an actual. This side is a sticker, so when you peel it up, you can actually put it, down, which means that this side is not a sticker. But what they're doing is they're just opening it up, and they're putting some of these in here, like as in like putting it in a jar, and then you close it, and it's just really cute. So you can just imagine, you've got these in here, and you can decorate them up with that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get yours going. So I decided these three look adorable, and I love these. These have like a holographic look, which honestly, it just hit me in the case that you don't care for holographic, which is totally fine. Let me go ahead. I'll do those two, and let me just switch this one out for a non-holographic one. Let me see what one of my drawings are. On the very bottom, I have, there we go, drawings that are non-holographic. So we'll go ahead and do that, and this is the same concept as the other one. So we'll do those, and then let me get you some flowers, and we like pink, and we like pepper, and I don't really have the move in here, but that one might be. Oh, that's pink. We'll do that. Those are way pretty. There we go. And we'll just go ahead and throw in a cute little feeling in that, and a cute little leaf. So that looks fairly good. We'll put those in there, and see if I can find any more of the maybe a daisy, maybe kind of cute, and a couple little leaves. There we go. All right. These have a lot of static electricity, so we'll go ahead and do those. So let's go ahead and move these over here for you. Oops. All right. There we go. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Oh, that one's an actual fairly easy one. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, we got a pretty bracelet. Let's go ahead and get that for you. Okay. Let's see. We've got two different kinds. That one's called blue. So we'll definitely go with this one here, which is a very cute bow bracelet. So here we go. Move that right over here. Ooh, nice. This is a custom sticker. This is something I am actually going to make. Now, one thing I did see on the order that she likes is Siamese cats. So let's go ahead and make her a Siamese cat sticker. I have found me a nice, cute little design to go ahead and make. So let's go ahead and get this started. This isn't it? Pretty good. And you can see how pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and put it. Good. So what I do to cut it down is, as you can tell, I cut the actual people. Now I just trim the edges, and this is just really and truly just for cosmetic looks. So there we go on that. All right, I'm going to take a cute little sticker. Oops, here we go. Cute little sticker, and go ahead and put it in a little baggie. Now keep in mind the handmade sticker is not laminated, so it is not waterproof. So I like to put these on anything that's not going to get wet. So like your laptop or anything like that, which is going to be perfect. And you just peel it off. But isn't he just so cute? So we'll go ahead and get this put in here as well. We'll go ahead and put this right here for us. All right. All right, we've got a car coaster. Very nice. I've got those right over here. And oh yes, we have big ones, some magnets. I think these are the ones we have, so we'll go ahead and get you that cute little thing right there. Put that right over here. That's a cute little singing tabby kitty. Alright, and alrighty, metallic pen. This is actually a really cool pen. It is a as the name says, it's a metallic pen, and it writes really, really cool. So let's take a look here. That should be actually right above your heel scrunchie. Okay, let's see. This purple one looks pretty good. That is a design pen, it's not the same, but these are dark pens. We'll go ahead and go with this one. Actually, I'll take the kitchen with me. And this here is a double-sided. So this here you have a cute little marker end, and then it looks like a fine tip to me. And then on this side, you have a brush. I realize it now said that on the actual thing. And this is an actual brush kind, so yeah. That's pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and get that put right over here next to this other one. Okay, is that one? Ooh, we got some candy. Nice. Let's go ahead and grab that for you. Got a watermelon arrowhead. We'll get that put over here for you. Alright, now to adjust my camera so we can try to see the whole spread here, all the little goodies. Let's go ahead and see what the next little goodie is. Animal reading sticker. These are so stinking cute. Let's go ahead and grab that. All right, here we go. And the cat reading ones, like right here, cat animal reading ones. We just need to see if we can find a cute little kitty in it. Ooh, well, that's a cute kitty. And we got another one. Let's see if I can find any. Oh, that's way cute. I like that one. Ooh, that one's really cute too. See if we can find any other ones in here. Oh. Alright, I think that'll do us. So we'll go ahead and go with those two. So we'll go ahead and put those right over there. Let's see what's next. Binder clips. Alright, let's go ahead and grab those up. Number of colors there. Go ahead and pick those. Go ahead and put these over here. Camera straight again. Oh, cute. We've got a rubber stamp. Let's go ahead and grab that. Alright. Let's see. Ooh, I like that. That looks pretty cute. Just get the flower. And I like purple, so we'll go ahead and do that for you. So we'll go ahead and put these right over here. And let's see what we have now. Ooh, small sticker sheet. This is a handmade item. Let's go ahead and grab that up. Alright, we have 3 different cat sticker sheets. And I think we're going to go ahead and go with this one here. I think it's really, really cute. So we'll go ahead and stick that one right underneath this one.